Hey, so how to install MyHeritage Family Tree app? So this app is right now uh, going viral. Um, so why is that? Is because it's can bring like can get your like family photos or like any other photos, and then it can colorize them, but most importantly they can just it can make moving them, like just move kind of like in real life. So that's why it's going viral. Everyone on Twitter is just talking about it. um, so that's the app, just it's free, so that's how exactly it's called, MyHeritage. Of course there are a lot of other features in this app, but it's not why it's going viral. So that's the one feature where you can like make these photos live, and then you can just create an account.